In this video, we will talk about some tips and tricks that will help you in preparation of your exam. Time management is very important during the exam but also while preparing for exam. Don't waste your time on difficult questions. Try solving those first whom you are sure about. Make daily targets for yourself and check that at the end of the day you have completed them. While you prepare, you should write down the important things you need to revise just before the exam. You'll have to take care of the accuracy as there is negative marking. You should be well aware of current affairs to improve your awareness and GK. Do read lots of books, magazines, newspaper. Watch news regularly to keep yourself updated. Give as many mock tests as you can. It will help you improve your speed and will make you analyze your weak and strong areas. For that, you can check the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work, designed specifically for this purpose. Check the description for the link of the app. If you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.